Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to math class. Today is lesson number 154. All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at our board as we review counting by twos. Take a look at section A. We are going to write the before and after number by twos. The number is 68. What number comes before 68 by twos? 66 is the before number for 68 by twos. What's the after number for 68 by twos? 70 is the after number. Let's take a look at our next number, 112. What's the before and after number by twos for 112? 110 is the before number. And 114 is the after number. Let's take a look at 138. What's the before and after number by twos? 136 is the before number. And 140 is the after number. Let's take a look at 174. What's the before and after number by twos? 172 is the before number, and 176 is the after number. All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at our board as we are going to count our coins and mix order. So in order for us to count our coins, we always start with the largest value coin first. So let's go ahead and help me rearrange my coins. So I have nickels, a penny, a dime, a quarter, and another nickel. Which coin is the greatest value? The quarter is the greatest value. What's the next greater value? The dime is the next greatest value. And what comes after the dime? The nickel. And then penny is the least amount, the least value. Now we can get ready to count our coins. Remember, boys and girls, as we change coins, we must change the counting pattern. Let's count together. 25, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 51 cents. We have a total of 51 cents. Now, let's take a look at our next sets of coins. We need to arrange our coins from the greatest value to the least value. Which coin is the greatest value? The quarter is the greatest value. What's the next greatest value? The dime. We have a dime here, and we also have a dime here. This dime needs to be moved. And our nickels, the next greatest value, and then we have our pennies. All right, now, boys and girls, we can go ahead and count our coins. Remember, we must change our counting pattern. Let's count together. 25, 35, 45, 50, 51, 52, and 53 cents. We have a total of 53 cents. All right, boys and girls, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to be adding 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers. So take a look at our board. My first problem is 130 plus 156. Which place value do we do first? We start with the ones place. Now, boys and girls, what's 0 plus 6? 0 plus 6 equals 6. All right, boys and girls, what's 3? We're going to move on to our next place value. What is 3 plus 5, which is the tens place? 3 plus 5 equals 8. We're going to move to our next place value, which is the hundreds place. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 equals 2. So therefore, 130 plus 156 equals 286. Let's take a look at our next problem. We have 264 plus 135. Boys and girls, which place value do we start with first? We start with the ones place. We always start with the ones place. Boys and girls, what's 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5 equals 9. We place the 9 in the ones place. Now let's move on to the next place value, the tens place value. What's 6 plus 3? 6 plus 3 equals 9. And let's move on to our last place value, which is the hundreds place. What is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 equals 3. And let's take a look at 172 plus 314. Let's start with the ones place. What's 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 equals 6. Let's move on to our tens place. What is 7 plus 1? 7 plus 1 equals 8. And let's move on to our hundreds place. What is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 equals 4. So therefore, 172 plus 314 equals 486. All right, boys and girls, I want you to do the last one on your own. What is 166 plus 423? All right, boys and girls, what is 6 plus 3? 6 plus 3 equals 9. Let's move on to the tens place. What is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 equals 8. And what is 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 equals 5. So therefore, 166 plus 423 equals 589. All right, boys and girls, let's get ready to tell some time. What time is it? It is 8:10. Boys and girls, what time is it? The time is 3:45. Boys and girls, what time is it? The time is 11 o'clock. Boys and girls, what time is it? The time is 6:55. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reviewing our time. All right, boys and girls, we're going to review our place value. Listen carefully. I'm going to call a number, and I'm going to ask for a specific place value. The number is 95. How many ones are in a number 95? There are 5 ones. 48. How many tens are in the number 48? There are 4 tens in a number 48. 102. How many tens are in a number 102? There are 0 tens in 102. 371. How many digits? 371. How many hundreds are in the number 371? There are 3 hundreds and 371. All right, boys and girls, if I have 2 tens and 6 ones, what's my number? My number is 26. If I have 5 ones and 1 tens, what's my number? My number is 15. If I have 3 ones and 7 tens, what's my number? My number is 73. All right, boys and girls, thank you for participating in math class today. Have a wonderful day.